So the next measurements we're going to take are if you're either replacing just your doors or if you want to replace your whole door unit. Now these are just a couple of simple measurements to help us give you an accurate quote when you come into the showroom. So if you're going to measure the door, it's real, you're just going to measure from one side to the other. Most doors are going to measure about 35 3/4. All right. The next measurement is, sometimes you need to open the door just to kind of hook this under the door, not the weather stripping that's on the bottom. I usually hold it with my foot. 79 1/4. All right. Then the next part of that would be if you're doing the whole unit to measure just the overall width. Gives us an idea of what you're going to be looking for. So the trim that's around the door, we don't really need that. What we need is right at the edge of this right here to the other side. And then from the top all the way to the floor. All right. So that measures at 67 1/2 roughly. And then from the floor, that's 81 1/4. Then again, if you can just write those measurements down on the printable measure guide that's on our website and bring that in when you come, that would really be helpful in giving you an accurate quote.